Hey, just a quick tip if you're wanting to use AI to be more productive. Just follow this exact plan, and this is the best you could possibly do right now without having to become an AI expert. So the number one thing is you want to be able to use your phone to then control your computer and really actually do anything on your computer that you normally do during the day. So for work, this is the first question I ask clients when I start working with them. What are you doing on your computer all day? And it's like email and invoices and things like that. And so that is the first step and the first phase is you download Claude Code. It's an actual app. You can use Claude on the internet and on a web browser, but you download an app onto your computer. And then you want to give it access to your whole computer, literally, your file systems, your apps, like everything. You give it full access, and then you allow it to be used in their co-work or dispatch. There's a couple different names, but you allow it full access. And you do this with every computer. So if you were a business, like I would have Claude on every single computer of my employees, and I could check in on any time. And then you get the Claude Code app on your phone. It's just a Claude app. And then there's a section in the app called Dispatch. In there, when you install it on your other computer, so I have two computers, one's a server and one's my other computer at home. I have it installed on there. It has full access to everything on there. And then on my phone in the Claude app, I can simply say connect to my home server or connect to my computer and pull up the Claude app that was in there and finish working on what the top conversation that's in there that I was working on, or you can just tell it to go do things, go into and actually build me a whole website, or go and answer all my emails. Whatever you can do on a computer, literally, this is the key. This is the fastest way. For me, I was looking for a way to be able to not sit in front of my computer anymore and completely destroy my body from having poor posture and just stop looking at a screen all day long. So this allows me to literally do everything I would do and do on a computer for the last 15 years as a marketing automation specialist, having a marketing agencies. I've worked with thousands and thousands of clients and customers across all different types of niches. So literally everything that would be needed to do all that on a computer now you can do from your phone, but it's not running on your phone. That's the whole thing. The phones are not powerful enough to be able to actually do coding and stuff like that. They probably could, but they're just not allowing us to use them for that purpose. And so this is the fastest way. So download Claude Code onto your computer, download the Claude Code app, make sure the Claude Code on your computer has the full control and access to everything. And you literally can go anywhere and do the same actual work you would do just by being on your computer, no matter what it is you're doing. DM me if you want more help figuring this out and getting it set up. This is revolutionary. I guarantee it.